Okay, good day guys and welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button guys, like, share, make a comment. So let's see what we'll be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. Let's start with our trend. Our full trend on GBP USD is an uptrend move. So you can clearly see that this is an uptrend move, right? We are having a series of higher high and then higher low. Here is a series of higher high and then higher low. So for quick analysis, if this is our higher high, here can be seen taken to be our higher low, and then an higher high was made here, which is here need to be our higher low. Market eventually push up again to form another higher high, and we can take a look at this to be our higher low. So our next movement, especially for the position traders, if you intend to hold your position for the next 4 months, 3 months, 4 months, or even 6 months, what you should be going now on GBP USD is a buy. In the long run, GBP USD will still give us that bullish move. So we should be expecting some bullish move from here. I mean, why we will be expecting some bullish move from here is that this is a major level. Market is currently at a major level, which we can call as our major support level. So with that movement itself, we should expect market to give us some bullish move. Now, could there be any changes to this prediction? Absolutely yes. If there will be any changes to this prediction that we've done, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. In order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on that subscribe button now, guys, and follow the Telegram